Welcome to our analysis of Generali, one of the world's largest insurance and asset management groups. Founded in 1831, Generali operates in over 50 countries worldwide and provides a comprehensive suite of products and services. With more than 72,000 employees and 61 million customers, it's a significant player in the global insurance and financial markets. Generali's key features include comprehensive insurance, coverage for life, property and casualty, as well as investment products. They also offer innovative digital solutions like Generali, a mobile app for policy management. The company's strength lies in its global presence, diversified portfolio, and commitment to sustainable business practices. Generali is also known for its robust risk management and corporate governance. Generali's pricing varies widely based on the specific product, coverage, and individual circumstances of the customer. For instance, life insurance policies depend on factors like age, health, and lifestyle. Property insurance costs are influenced by the property's value, location, and risk factors. It's best to get a personalized quote for the most accurate pricing information. Generali is ideal for individuals seeking comprehensive insurance coverage or investment products from a globally recognized company. Businesses can benefit from their commercial insurance and asset management services. The digital solutions are perfect for tech-savvy customers who prefer managing their policies online. Generali is also suitable for eco-conscious customers due to its commitment to sustainability. The advantages of Generali include its wide range of products and services, global reach, and strong financial stability. Customers also appreciate the convenience of digital tools for policy management. Generali's commitment to sustainability and corporate social responsibility is another plus, demonstrating a company that cares about more than just profits. On the flip side, Generali has some limitations. The pricing can be on the higher end compared to some competitors, and the cost of premiums may increase over time. Some customers have expressed dissatisfaction with customer service. Additionally, while the digital tools are convenient, they might not be as user-friendly for older or less tech-savvy customers. To conclude, Generali offers a diverse range of high-quality insurance and financial products. While it may be pricier than some competitors, the company's global presence, financial stability, and commitment to sustainability make it a reliable choice. However, it's essential to consider individual needs and circumstances before deciding. Always compare quotes and read customer reviews to make an informed decision. Thank you for watching our analysis of Generali. We hope you found it informative and useful. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next video.